Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Facts Sci Guy. So guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about a very interesting topic, and the topic is also that the top 10 unknown and interesting facts about NASA, which are amazing. So guys, let's get started. So our first one is in 1958 NASA established by President Dwight D. Eisenhower. That time it was established as a civilian independent agency of the United States federal government executive branch. Let us tell you that before the establishment of NASA, President Woodrow Wilson started the National Advisory Committee for Astronauts, in short NACA. The main function is to supervise and to direct scientific research and to study problems related to flight. Do you remember Sputnik 1, which was the first artificial satellite in the world that was launched by Soviets just 1 year before the establishment of NASA? A series of satellites named Landsat was launched into space in 1972 with the purpose to click the photograph of Earth's surface from the outer space. By the end of 1960s, President John F. Kennedy gave NASA a goal of sending to the moon on 20 July 1969. The first man walked on the moon as a part of the Apollo 11 mission. During all Apollo missions, around 12 men worked on the moon. The lunar landing of Apollo 13 in 1970 was aborted after the explosion of an oxygen tank. A research aircraft used by NASA, known as SI-11 or Blackbird, for testing high-speed and high-altitude astronautical research. In 1950s, it was secretly designed at Lockheed's Advanced Development Company, also known as Skunk Works. The headquarters of NASA is in Washington, D.C. It was 9 centers, a jet propulsion laboratory, and 7 test and research facilities located in several states around the country. Do you know that more than 70,000 people work for NASA and many work with the agency's government contractors? Astronauts are the best known NASA employees. Most of the workers in NASA are scientists and engineers. People do several other jobs also here, like writers, lawyers, teachers, etc. Currently, NASA has astronauts living and working on the International Space Station. Everywhere in the solar system, NASA's robotic space probes have visited, and also in various celestial bodies. With the help of telescopes, scientists look at the far reaches of space. In fact, satellites help and provide several data about Earth, which has helped to understand several phenomena and valuable information for understanding the weather patterns. NASA also showed the movie named Armageddon to new staff and then questioned them about the inaccuracies in the frame. At least 168 have been identified. In 1972, NASA and the Department of Health, Education and Welfare founded the Learning Channel. Do you know that NASA has a program for dealing with the life on other planets, and if it should be discovered, known as the Office of Planetary Protection? A water world is also discovered by NASA, which is about 40 light years away from the Earth and might contain some exotic materials like hot ice and superfluid water. A spaceship was designed by NASA, which is capable of using a nuclear explosion to deflect an oncoming asteroid. Also, a NASA scientist invented the Super Soaker Squid gun. On 26 November 2011, NASA launched a mission to Mars, and it landed on Mars on 6 August 2012 with an aim to determine that Mars was able to support microbial life. Artemis program is the lunar exploration program of NASA. By 2024, NASA is committed to land American astronauts, including the first woman and the next on the moon. NASA helps teachers to prepare students who will be the engineers, scientists, astronauts and other NASA workers in the future. They will be the adventurers who will continue exploration of the solar system and universe. In fact, NASA has a tradition of investing in programs and activities that inspire students, educators, families, etc. NASA provides training to the teachers so that they learn new methods of teaching science and technology, engineering and mathematics. So we can say that the vision NASA is to discover, expand knowledge for the benefit of the humanity. So guys, what about this video? So what do you think about these facts? If you think that are amazing, so give a comment and say amazing. So guys, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video guys, and I will see you in the next video. For today, goodbye to all of you.